need to make this quick. Damien's pride is his weak spot. Just play it up. Convince him to say what he knows. Then drop him. He's too reckless. He's too dangerous.
Careful, jerk.
Where are you?
I don't think you're gonna like my answer.
You know what? Forget it. I don't need whatever you got. Brought me nothing but trouble. We're done talking.
Oh, too late, Aiden. You won't believe where I am. Never mind, I'll send you the feed. Find a TV and have a look.
That's Nikki's house. What are you doing?
You should hurry, my boy. Your pretty sister needs you.
Damien! Damien, what are you doing?
That was rude.
What's wrong with you?
Son of a bitch played me and I let him. What's he doing, Nikki's? No, he won't hurt me. I'll kill him if he touches him. No, he has to know that. No, he's trying to draw me there. He wants me to work with him. And the guys who attacked us? Fuck that. I need to take him down. I'm coming.
Six-years old. It's tragic.
Where are they?
Such a waste. All of this, it's such a waste. You know, the real tragedy here is that somebody like you was surrounded by so many fragile things. It makes you fragile.
Where?
That's not how it works. You don't want to answer that.
Yeah. Nikki, where are you? Nikki!
Stop and think. You fuck around and she's dead. This isn't how I wanted it. But this is where we are. If you'd listened to me, things would be different.
Just tell me where they are.
Where they are, there's only Nicky. That little boy. I don't know where he is. Now this is what's gonna happen. I points to a hard drive. I told you there was another hacker. That will lead you to his computer. Get it? And you'll find out who ordered the hit on us.
What do you really want?
You lost your right to question me. I want that hard drive, that's all you need to know, and that's the price for Nicky. Stop overthinking, Aiden. I'll need regular updates. In exchange, you get to talk to Sis. Quid pro and all that.
This won't end well for you.
Perhaps, but don't get clever. I really have no problem killing that girl. We'll talk soon, partner.
Where is Jax? Damien doesn't have him. I hope he's got his tablet. There. He's on the L. Oh shit, someone's after him. I can't risk Damien grabbing Jax. I need him safe. Come on, I can make it. I'll grab Jax and then... Nikki. Damn it. He's got Nikki. Moving it away from these guys.
Check every car. Kid's here somewhere.
Station. Hold on, Kiddo.
Train's leaving! Shit! Alright, get to the next station. Go! Go! Somebody's on us! Who is this guy? Try to ditch him if you can. Get some help! On it! Ram inside! Ram him off the road! Do it! Hit him! Ram him! Watch out! Force him off the road! Smash into him! Take him out! Smash into him! Shit, my car's wrecked. I'm done. Clip him now! Run him off the road!
to him! Do it! Keep searching! He has to be close. Look around! I see him!
Jax. You're safe now. Alright? You're safe. Okay, listen. This is important. Back at the house, did you hear those men say anything? Come on, Jax, talk to me. Alright. We're gonna find your mom.
Dr. Mendez speaking?
Yolanda, hi. This is Aiden Pierce, Nikki's brother.
Is everything all right?
It'd be great if we could meet in person. I'm on the train with Jax.
All right. Do you know where Nikki drops him off?
Yeah, we'll meet you there. I need you to be brave for me, okay? Men at the house said this. This is good, Jax. It's good.
Hey! Hello, sweetheart. What's going on, Mr. Pierce? Where's Nikki?
No, it's been a rough week. She's forced herself to get rid of Lena's stuff, and I think she's finally saying her goodbyes.
How bad is it?
It's bad.
She should call me.
Well, she wanted me to call you. See, we're wondering if you could look after Jax for a few days. We'll pay you, of course.
Of course. I'll help in any way I can.
That'd be great, thank you.
Nikki needs to grieve. I know it's hard, but it's a good thing.
It's been rough. We're gonna work it out. Right?
Hey, little man. We're gonna cause some trouble. Ah, let's go.
See you soon.
I keep